Hello everybody, how are you doing today? I hope you are very, very well. Did you remember our last class? We start to talk about effect shots. Vocês lembram da aula passada? Nós começamos a falar sobre batidas com efeito. Last class, we were talking about all the effects you can make using forehand. Na aula passada nós falamos de todos os efeitos que nós usamos para bater forehand, né? Forehand, ou seja, com a palma. A gente bate com a raquete. We beat on the ball with a racket, but if we weren't holding a racket, we will make it directly with our hand. So, forehand and backhand. Last class, we made forehand. Última aula nós fizemos forehand. Today, we're gonna make the same exercises, but to the other side, with backhand. Okay? Let's talk a little bit about grips. Vamos falar um pouquinho sobre empunhaduras. Lembra que eu falei, ó, quando a gente bate chapado, a gente usa empunhadura continental. When we shot a flat shot, we use continental grip. When we'll make an effect shot with forehand, a topspin, we use a grip called Eastern grip. When I will shot a backhand shot with effect, I have two options. Or I hold the racket with my dominant hand with continental, and the second hand I take it with Eastern grip to scratch the ball, or option two, I hold my racket with the Eastern backhand grip and make the rotation. Now em português. Quando a gente bate esquerda, a gente tem duas opções. Ou a gente continua segurando ela continental com a mão direita, que é a nossa mão dominante, ou com a mão esquerda para quem é canhoto. E a gente segura a Eastern com a mão esquerda e bate usando as duas mãos fazendo a rotação, ou tem gente que prefere usar uma mão só. Quem prefere usar uma mão só vai ter que mudar a empunhadura para Eastern de backhand para conseguir fazer também a rotação, certo? So, when you're in the game, we have to administrate three grips. Continental, for service, for volley, for smash, for flat shots, for slice shots. Eastern, forehand Eastern, to top spin, to forehand top spin, and backhand Eastern to backhand spin, or if you prefer to make it using your both hands, you hold it continental and Eastern on the left hand to rotation. Se você, então, resumindo, você tem num jogo normal você tem três empunhaduras para administrar. Continental para fazer saque, voleio, smash, batida chapada ou slice. Eastern de forehand para fazer topspin de forehand. Eastern de backhand para fazer topspin de backhand. Ou se você vai bater com duas mãos, segura continental com a direita, Eastern com a esquerda e faz o efeito. Let's go to the exercises. Minha bola. Minha bola, mano. Sorry, I'll take this ball. Warming exercise. Did you remember last class? We made this using the forehand. Today you use the backhand, right? But you make this way. Can you realize? Nós vamos fazendo a bola girar, ó, certo? Nesse sentido, da direita para a esquerda. From right to the left. This exercise you make necessarily with regular ball, and if you have racket and tennis ball, you make it too. Second exercise, in your knees, you make the rotation using back of hand. If you have a partner, my son, please, Gabriel. If you have a partner, you can make this. You can feel the sensation of spinning, okay? This is technical. Tactical. Against the wall, with the ball bouncing. Make it spin. Hit the ball with the spin. If you have a partner, perfect. When you're making the exercise on your knees, necessarily you have to make it with a regular ball. If you have a racket, and you don't need to make it with rackets and tennis ball, okay? And to finish, emotional. Do you remember the last one? I established 4. 1. I establish a number of hitting inside the target. 1, 2, 3, 4, 15-0, and you go, okay? Exactly the same class of last week, but making with the back of your hand. Thank you.